The scent of freshly cut wood fills the air, mingling with the earthy aroma of sawdust as sunlight streams through the open garage door. It's a Saturday morning, the perfect time to embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship. Woodworking, often perceived as a complex endeavor reserved for seasoned artisans, is, in fact, an accessible and rewarding hobby that anyone can dive into. With just a few simple tools and some imagination, one can transform a humble piece of lumber into something beautiful and functional. Imagine starting with a basic project, a wooden planter box. The allure of nurturing plants and flowers is amplified when the container that holds them is crafted by your own hands. Begin by gathering materials, a few planks of untreated cedar or pine, some screws, and a handful of tools. The soft, warm tones of the wood beckon, inviting you to envision the vibrant blooms that will soon adorn your creation. As you measure and cut the wood, there's a meditative quality to the process. Each cut is a small victory, a step closer to realizing your vision. The rhythmic sound of the saw becomes a soundtrack to your creativity. With each plank shaped, you can almost see the flowers spilling over the edges, their colors bursting against the natural grain of the wood. Once assembled, the planter box stands proudly, a testament to your effort and ingenuity. Filling it with soil and planting seeds or seedlings brings a sense of satisfaction that transcends the act of creation. You've not only built something, you've cultivated life. Next, consider a simple coat rack, a project that combines functionality with a touch of artistry. Picture a rustic piece of wood, perhaps reclaimed from an old barn or fence, its surface weathered and full of character. This project invites you to explore your aesthetic sensibilities. The process begins with sanding down the rough edges, revealing the smooth, rich texture beneath. As you work, you might find yourself lost in thought, contemplating how this piece of wood has lived a life before it became your canvas. Once the wood is prepared, it's time to attach hooks, each one a unique accent that adds personality to the coat rack. You can choose from an array of styles: vintage brass, sleek modern chrome, or even colorful ceramic. As you secure the hooks, you envision the coats, hats, and scarves that will hang from them, each telling its own story. When the project is complete and the coat rack is mounted on the wall, it transforms not just the space but also your sense of accomplishment. Friends and family will admire your handiwork, and you'll beam with pride every time you hang your jacket. The beauty of DIY woodworking lies in the endless possibilities. Perhaps you're drawn to the idea of creating a simple side table. With just a few boards, some sturdy legs, and a touch of creativity, you can craft a piece that complements your living space. Picture a table that showcases the natural knots and grains of the wood, each imperfection a reminder of its authenticity. As you assemble the table, you can experiment with different finishes, staining it a rich walnut hue or leaving it natural for a more minimalist look. This project is not merely about creating furniture, it's about infusing your personality into your home. As you place the finished table in your living room, it becomes a conversation starter, a piece that invites stories and memories. Whether it holds a steaming cup of coffee in the morning or a stack of books in the evening, it serves as a reminder of your creativity and the satisfaction that comes from building something with your own hands. For those seeking a more playful project, consider crafting a birdhouse. This endeavor allows you to connect with nature while exercising your woodworking skills. The design can be as simple or as intricate as you desire. You might choose to create a classic A-frame birdhouse or venture into more whimsical designs, perhaps incorporating bright colors or unique shapes. As you cut and assemble the pieces, you can imagine the birds that will soon call your creation home. Painting the birdhouse adds an element of fun. It's a chance to unleash your inner artist. Once finished, you'll find a sense of joy in hanging it from a tree branch, knowing that you've provided a sanctuary for feathered friends. Watching them flit in and out, building their nests, becomes a source of delight, a reminder of the beauty that arises from your efforts. Each project, whether it's a planter box, coat rack, side table, or birdhouse, is a stepping stone on the path of woodworking. The creativity involved in each endeavor fosters a sense of exploration and experimentation. It encourages you to embrace imperfections and to see beauty in the process, not just the end result. The satisfaction of completing a project is profound, a feeling that resonates long after the tools are put away. Woodworking is not merely a task, it's a journey of self-discovery. As you engage with the materials, you learn patience, precision, and the joy of creating something meaningful. Each project completed is a testament to your growth as a craftsman and an artist. The skills you develop along the way, measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing, open doors to even more ambitious projects in the future. So gather your tools, embrace the spirit of creativity, and let the world of woodworking unfold before you. Each piece you create is not just an object, it's a reflection of your imagination, your effort, and your journey. The satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life, of transforming raw materials into something beautiful and useful, is a reward that enriches your life in ways you might never have imagined. With every project, you're not just building with wood, you're building confidence, creativity, and a deeper connection to the world around you.